In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort tasks efficiently in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to line up your items by due date so you can spot what needs attention first and keep your workday on track. First, open Monday.com and navigate to the board and view where you manage your tasks. In this example, we're working in a view labeled Trial Management, Task 1. Make sure you're looking at the table where your items and columns are visible, including the one for dates. If your screen looks a little different, that's okay. Layouts can vary by workspace, but the sorting options work the same way across boards. Next, move your cursor to the top row of the table where the column headers live. Click the highlighted area shown in the interface to open the options for that header. In most cases, this is the small control or menu attached to the column header. You'll see a quick panel that helps you choose what you want to work with. From that menu, select the due date column. This tells Monday.com which field you want to use for ordering your items. Choosing the date column is essential because it ensures you're sorting tasks by time sensitivity, not by name, status, or owner. Now click the highlighted control again to reveal the sorting choices for that column. This is where you decide the order your tasks will appear. You should see options to set the direction of the sort. Choose ascending. Ascending order places the earliest due dates at the top and the later ones further down. This is ideal when you want to handle urgent or upcoming items first and avoid surprises. As soon as you select ascending, the board will refresh and your items will realign according to their due dates. A few quick tips to help you get the most out of this. Items without a due date may appear at the top or bottom depending on the view's behavior. If you notice tasks with no dates cluttering the list, consider adding dates to them later so they fall into place. Also, sorting changes how items appear in this view, but it doesn't modify the data itself. Your tasks, groups, and dates remain intact. If you ever need to switch focus, you can return to the same menu and reverse the order with descending to see the latest deadlines first, or clear the sort to go back to your original layout. That's it. You've just sorted your tasks by due date in ascending order, giving you a clear time-based plan of attack for the day.